Let's take a sneak peek of the Friends and Feelings theme from Experience Curriculum. Prepare for a big month of learning and discovery. See what's in the box, how we're going to use it, and get inspired for a busy month of learning ahead. Let's take a look at the preschool, toddler, and baby kits. This month, children will learn new ways to make friends, talk to friends, be respectful of differences, and express their feelings. Each day, they will create exciting art, including friendship headbands and get well cards. The month is full of discovery, communication, and friendship. Here you can see the theme web for the month, including the 4 weekly themes and 20 daily topics. Our themes provide a well rounded and inclusive study around each topic. Display this poster for the children and families to reference. Through playful learning and games, the basic concepts will be introduced: the circle shape and color blue, the character trait kind, the AD word family, and the sight words he, she, and is. This month's focus letters are F, H, and T. The numbers will be 1 and 2, and the children will practice the AB pattern. 4 preschool teacher guides organize your lessons for each week. Our teacher guides are beautiful and user-friendly. They are printed in full color and packed with information and pictures to guide you through each lesson. Every day, participate in circle time, a community challenge, creative art, math, literacy, story time, and music and movement. This month's preschool album contains acoustic pop-inspired children's music. Our music albums are exclusively streaming and are available for free on YouTube and member resources. You can also find our music streaming on Spotify, Amazon, and Apple Music. Visit member resources or our blog to bookmark your playlist now and enjoy music and movement activities every day. Your preschool box includes 2 original storybooks, I Am and the Forest Friends book, A Kind Friend. We also provide a suggested book list so you can gather additional theme-related stories to enjoy all month long. All the materials you need for circle time and classroom displays will be included in your box. Making friends is an essential skill to practice early in life. Building friendships help children feel a sense of belonging and self-confidence. Week 1, Making Friends, features these activities and many more that nurture a sense of belonging, celebrate individuality, and help children get acquainted through cooperative activities. This is just a preview of activities planned for this week. Identifying and understanding feelings is a critical part of a child's overall development. During week 2 of Friends and Feelings, children will learn to express emotions, including what happy, sad, mad, surprised, and scared mean. They will also practice techniques for self regulation and participate in many more feelings themed activities. Young children are novices when it comes to problem solving and cooperation. During this week, preschoolers will learn about caring, building empathy, playing fun games to practice sharing, and about saying sorry. Children learn to communicate in a variety of ways, from simply waving to a friend to talking on the phone to a family member. During the last week of Friends and Feelings, children will explore communication, including verbal and nonverbal messages, learning to be a good listener, and about using phones, mail, and computers. Toddlers grow with hands-on play and discovery. This month's basic concepts for toddlers include the letters F, H, and T, the number 1, the color blue, and a circle shape. The character trait is kind, and toddlers will practice the happy baby yoga pose. Toddlers will also be introduced to 8 new sign language words. Here is an example of the group time display board for toddlers. Each month, add new circle time materials to your displays. This month's finger play poster features 5 little friends. Toddlers will love moving and singing to the Friends and Feelings album and listening to audio stories. There are 4 toddler teacher guides, 1 for each week, and these are the 4 storybooks included: A Kind Friend, the Forest Friend book; I Am is a theme-related storybook about feelings; Friends is a hide-and-seek board book; and Feelings is a follow-the-path photo-based book that introduces concepts of print and new vocabulary to your toddlers. The first week of Friends and Feelings activities for toddlers are based on the storybook A Kind Friend. Toddlers will explore the story each day with coordinating activities like making a friend puppet, playing a global friends matching game, creating a friendship journal, circle sponge painting, and making a bunny headband and letter F activities. The I Am storybook explores feelings and invites children to see Bear's expressions and think about why Bear has the feelings he expresses. This week, some of the experiences for toddlers include learning about the letter T, creating a blue circle painting, making a mirror to look at their facial expressions, drawing a self portrait, and playing Happy Dog, Sad Dog. In the hide and seek board book, toddlers will explore the things friends do. This week's activities focus on the letter H, color and shape games, the happy baby yoga pose, creating friendship art, and playing the keys to friendship game. The last week of Friends and Feelings features the Feelings Follow the Path book. Toddlers will make a mini feelings book, stamp with a happy face stamper, make a monster feelings collage, play feelings bingo, color feelings, and play a rhyming word matching game. These are just a few highlights of the experiences toddlers will enjoy all month long. For babies, daily activities are also feelings themed, adding interest, new sounds, and experiences to their routines. The Experience Baby Infant Curriculum supports relationship based play and discovery all month long. This month's board book is the Hide and Seek Friends, and the rhyme is oh where has my little dog gone? Enjoy learning with Experience Curriculum. Don't have your curriculum yet? It's not too late. Sign up for a demo or order now at experiencecurriculum.com.